Alright, so we finally got started. Got the back wheel off. Bought some new bike stands. We taking the plastics off. Got the front wheel off. FYI, don't buy them damn jack stands from Amazon. The back ones are cool. They alright. See how it fits? Little slot that goes on up under the swing arm. But this shit right here, this is how it's supposed to go, see? But, and on the other side, but if you do it like that, see, I put a glove under it, which is kind of dangerous, but it is what it is. Because you can't get the axle out. When it's set up normal, this hole here is here. Like line up with this, so you put the axle, it's going to hit this. You can't get the axle out, so don't buy that shit. Just testing it, make sure it wasn't going to fall. Alright, man, so that's it. We'll come out here, we're starting on the... Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Starting on the rims. So we're going to wash these. And then we're going to put a brand new tire on it. Look at the wire. I bought it like that. We're going to wash these, take the paint off, and polish the rims up like chrome, man. So stay tuned and we're going to keep on working. All right, peace.